What's up guys, this is Wajahat Ahmed and I'm here again with my new video. In today's video I'll show you what drives button mean on DSLR and what it does on your DSLR. Currently I'm using Canon 70D. In case you are using 60D, 80D or any other Canon device and any other Canon DSLR, the same function will follow for them. So first of all, what you have to do is turn on your camera, and then what you have to do is you have to move on from the auto mode to the manual for these settings to work on your camera. And then what you have to do is press start button here. Then you will see the screen and you will see what drive button actually doing. So here's the drive button on Canon 70D. I will press it here, and now as you can see that when I press that button, I got few options here. I'll press it again, and here you can use this scrolling thing to move on from this to this. You can also find timers on it, 10 seconds and 2 seconds. So you can select any one of these. Like I'm selecting high speed, I've selected, and now when I press shutter button, it will continuously take many shots instantly. So that is the settings on the screen. So if you turn it off, turn the screen off, so if you see here, you can see that if I press drive button, you will only see this high speed logo here. So I'll use this scrolling thing to move the things. As you can see that now I'll press drive button and I'll scroll to the other settings. As you can see that now settings are getting changed while I'm scrolling. So I have checked now single shoot. So that's it. Now I will press the shutter button here. It will only take one shot at a time. So that's it for the drive function. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe me.